Most textile engineers in Bangladesh are leaving money on the table, and they don't even know it.
Same degree, same university, but one earns 25,000 a pan, and the other earns 2,50,000 a month.
The difference? It's not luck. It's the salary versus skill correlation that nobody teaches you in university. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact salary benchmarks for every stage of your textile engineering career in Bangladesh, with zero sugarcoating. From production officer to factory executive, stay till the end, because Scene 30 reveals the one skill that can double your salary overnight. Bangladesh is the world's second largest garment exporter, generating over $47 billion in export revenue annually. With over 4,500 active factories and 4 million workers, the demand for skilled textile engineers has never been higher. The hotspots are Ghazipur, Ashulia, Narayanganj, and Chittagong too, where most of the high-paying factory roles are concentrated.
Here's the truth. Your salary in this industry is decided by three things: your job title, your technical skills, and the factory tier you're working in.
Working for a Tier 1 buyer compliance factory, like an H&M or Walmart vendor, can pay up to 80% more than a local market factory. Let's start at the beginning. Stage 1. Entry level. Your first 0 to 2 years after graduation. Your common entry-level titles are production officer, QC officer, i.e. trainee, or merchandising trainee. Salary range? In a Tier 3 factory, expect 18,000 to 25,000 dollars.
The biggest mistake 90% of fresh engineers make: accepting any job just to get experience. Factory tier selection at stage 1 is theoretical for your career ceiling.
At this stage, master these 5 skills: line balancing, SMV calculation, efficiency tracking. Pay special attention to SMV, standard minute value. Mastering this single metric is the fastest shortcut to mid-level promotion and a salary jump.
Stage 2. Mid-level, years 3 to 7. This is where careers either launch or plateau.
Typical titles at this stage: senior production officer, IE officer, floor in charge, and assistant manager production or quality.
An engineer with no extra credentials earns 45k to 65k rupees. But add IE certification and ERP software skills.
The skills that act as salary multipliers at mid-level: lean manufacturing, Six Sigma basics, ERP systems like SAP.
The mindset shift that separates mid-level from senior? Stop being the person who does the work. Become the person who measures and improves the work with data.
With the right skill stack, expect a promotion every 18 to 24 months. Without it, engineers stagnate at this level for 8 to 10 years. Stage 3, senior level, year 7 to 12. This is where 6-figure salaries become the new normal if you played the earlier stages right.
Senior titles include production manager, IE manager, quality manager, and factory manager. Roles that command real authority and real pay.
Salary at this stage? 1.1 lakh to 2 lakh per month FU, plus performance bonuses, vehicle allowance, and medical benefits.
And then there's the top. Stage 4, executive level. GM, DGM, VP operations, factory director.
Executive level engineers at large groups like DBL, Beximco, or Square earn 2.5 lakh to rupees to 6 lakh.
What separates you from that salary today is not time, it's three things: strategic upskilling, visibility within your organization, and international exposure.
Engineers who attend international expos, ITMA, Tex Process, or get certified by global bodies like AATC.
Here's the big reveal I promised. The one skill that doubles salaries: advanced SMV analysis with IE tools.
Here's your complete roadmap summary. 4 stages, 4 salary bands, and 1 clear highway to the top of this industry. Year 0 to 2, build your skill foundation. Year 3 to 7, certify and specialize. Year 7 to 12, lead with data.
Your 30-day action plan: enroll in 1 IE or lean certification, download 1 SMV tracking tool, and update your LinkedIn to reflect your factory tier and buyer experience.
The engineer without a strategy plateaus at 40k rupees for a decade. The engineer with a roadmap hits 1.5 lakh within 7 years. This is real. Engineers who follow structured roadmaps consistently outperform their peers. Career, not by luck, but by design.
Comment below right now, Otheo, which stage are you in? 1, 2, 3, or 4? And tell me your biggest career challenge, Kabe. I read every comment.
If this video helped you, subscribe right now.